back to our live coverage of Vaccine Day here at News 3 Now Studios on Madison's West Side. Let's bust some myths now about the COVID-19 vaccine. We're here with Dr. Ajay Sethi, population health expert at UW Health.
Thank you for joining us. So let's get right into it and let's talk about what are the most ridiculous things that you have heard.
You know, there's a lot of them out there, and people will say anything just to evoke fear in society. The idea that, there are microchips in the vaccines that are being injected in people to track, your movements is pretty outlandish. And I hope people don't fall victim to those kinds of lies.
We hope that the history of vaccines in this country can teach us something. We've seen some calmer heads kind of getting that message out lately as well.
Yeah, vaccines is one of the top 10 public health achievements in our society. There are a lot of diseases, a lot of people will know, their grandparents will know that there were a lot of diseases floating around one time in our society, and they're done away because of vaccines, and we can do that with COVID too.
We were talking during the commercial break about there are many people who are so worried about long-term effects, and you just shed some really amazing light on this.
Yeah, in the world of vaccine science, long-term is not very long. That the FDA requires a vaccine manufacturer to provide data for just 2 months related to safety. And if they're going to be side effects, they will reveal themselves within 2 months. After that, you're kind of in the clear. And so long-term really doesn't mean years out.
Okay.
We're hoping that today is an indication with the 12 to 15-year-olds that parents here, but we've been strong in Dane County. We really need those outlying areas to really catch up to us.
Yeah, everybody needs to be vaccinated who's eligible, mainly because the vaccine is so safe and so effective, and it does a lot of good for anybody who, has been vaccinated.
All right, Dr. Ajay Sethi, thank you so much for being here
Thank
with
you for
us
hosting
this
the clinic.
evening. We appreciate it.